Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Mailchimp affiliate policy and link placement verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Mailchimp's affiliate policy, start by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the link labeled Affiliate Program in the footer. Click on the link to access the affiliate program details. Read through the provided information carefully. Pay close attention to the guidelines and requirements outlined. Make sure you understand what is allowed and what is prohibited. Next, locate the section detailing payment and commission structures. Take note of any specific terms regarding link placement. Now, log into your Mailchimp affiliate account. Go to the dashboard and find the Link Management section. Here, you will see your unique affiliate links. Copy your affiliate link for verification. Open a new browser tab and paste the link there. Test the link to ensure it directs users to the intended Mailchimp page. After confirming the link works, return to your affiliate account dashboard. Check for any additional resources provided by Mailchimp, like banners or promotional materials. Review any guidelines on how to effectively promote these links. Make sure to align your promotional strategies with Mailchimp's policies. Once you are satisfied with your understanding, proceed to implement your affiliate links on your platform. Continuously monitor the performance of your links through the affiliate dashboard. If you have any questions, reach out to Mailchimp's affiliate support for clarification. Stay updated with any changes to the affiliate policy by regularly visiting the program page. Ensure compliance with the terms to maintain a successful partnership with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.